Hey guys, it's Chris and Rob from Physio Inq South Penrith and Physio Inq Nepean. We're just going to give you a rundown today on our new Exos casting. So it's a really revolutionary material. We're using it now to replace our typical fibreglass casting, and we're also using it to replace our thermoplastic splinting. The advantages are it's super lightweight. It molds perfectly to the patient. You can wear it in the water, you can get it wet, you can shower with it. You just have to make sure it's dry afterwards. We're going to give you a bit of a demo now on how easily it works and how it perfectly fits and how lightweight it is. So when we receive them, they come like this, really rigid. You wouldn't really want to be wearing anything like that just yet. What we're going to do is measure up Rob, see what size he is, and then go from there. So all we do is use this measuring tape, pop it around the palm, and we can see by that Rob's going to be a medium. So what we've done is, we've actually gone and started to heat up the medium one already. We'll go now and get that fitted and show you how easy it is. So you can see the difference here. That's before it goes in the oven. That's after it comes out of the oven. So now it's really soft, flexible, ready to be moulded exactly to Rob's hand. So what we'll do, Rob, is we'll just get you to feed your hand in there. That's it. Now we'll just start to get this fitted to Rob. So we'll just tighten it up a little bit. You just let me know if it gets too warm at all, Rob. So now that it's nice and warm, we can keep fitting it exactly to Rob to make sure it fits nice and comfortably. We can tighten it up using this little wheel on the back, which then we can loosen it, we can tighten it a bit more if he's got some swelling that then goes down, whatever it might be. Still not too warm there, Rob? Okay, so we're just going to keep tightening it up a little bit. As it cools, it becomes nice and firm, like the state it originally starts in. Now you can see how quick and easy this is to get a perfectly fitted cast for someone. So, do you feel anywhere that there's any pressure there at the moment, Rob?
No, it's pretty good.
Okay, let's turn it up a touch more. Alright, and you can see there, Rob has now got a perfectly fitted cast. This would be used for something like a scaphoid fracture, perhaps even a wrist fracture. Rob's now got a cast that's fit perfectly to him. It's nice and thin, it's lightweight, it can be worn in the water, you can have a shower with it, you can go swimming with it, you just need to dry it out afterwards. Do you just want to come and have a close-up look at that now? Just to give everyone a bit of a look at what it looks like. It's super lightweight, super thin, it's breathable, works really well. Cheers guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Any fractures that need taken care of, anything that needs splinting, this is your go.